polite behavior. It is a polite behavior with in a society. Polite behavior in a society. How the polite behavior in a business ethics involves is, you can say one word, goodwill, not goodwill, not one second. For that one particular word is there. When I explained in my regular class, goodwill amount, goodwill. See, what happens there is, what I was explaining, when we start a business, there are two types of business. One is a new business which we are going to start. The other one is already, assume that I am running one business. I have one software company. I am not able to manage that company. And what my friends, where they are, if they have more money, if they are more knowledgeable, then what they do, they take over my company. Yes, students. That is one example. That type of business, that like that they can do the business. And one more example, a grocery shop. Assume that I wanted to start a grocery shop business. What I do first, initial new grocery shop business I start. New grocery shop business I start, and the other way is already one grocery shop is there. Maybe because of financial issue, he may not be able to run that business. So what he does, he will sell that business to somebody. So assume that I go and I purchase that business. So for, see, if I start my business new, then there I have to do publicity, there I have to do advertisement. But if somebody else already running some business, if I take over that business, there much of publicity is not required. Maybe I have to tell that the previous person was not keeping more of stock, no new products, but now I have started with this. Now I am giving such types, all the types of grocery, all the types of material, whatever the common people. So all types of items I'm keeping in my stock. So the way of advertisement will be different. Yes, students. In initials, if I started business initially, if I start a new business, then the returns may little late, because first the customers or the people have to come. They have to know there somebody have started a new business. If I take over somebody's business, then they may be knowing already. They will definitely, they'll be knowing that there some shop is there. In that shop, we'll get a grocery items. But now somebody has took over that business, and they are also giving home appliances also. Yes, such types of advertisement we have to do, no. So there what happens, I am taking purchasing business from somebody else. Then what I have to do, as a goodwill amount, some extra amount I have to pay there. See, that is here what I am doing. I am behaving a polite behavior. I am helping somebody. Yes, see, there is not compulsory that you have to you have to pay that goodwill amount to the person who has sold his business to you. Yes, students, you are understanding, there is not compulsory, but as a humanity, as a goodwill amount, I am paying. Yes, understood the situation. As a goodwill amount, as a humanity, as a good behavior. Khushi say, we can tell, no? Khushi say we are giving. So we are giving some amount of money. Assume that for 5 lakhs, for 5 lakhs rupees, I have purchased that business. As a goodwill amount, maybe 50,000 or maybe 1 lakh, I'm giving extra amount to the person from whom I have collected the money. That is goodwill amount. See, this goodwill amount, most of the business they give. This I know. So here etiquette is nothing but a good behavior. See, all this comes under this, all this goodwill and all comes under that etiquette only. A polite behavior. Etiquette is nothing but a polite behavior with a society or with the members who are who are with you. Yes, students, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Amit. What define a individual's moral value? What type of, where in ethics?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
if you are asking about ethics, see what are the moral values as a student? As a student, see, moral values are nothing but a set of predefined rules or principles will be there. You have to follow those predefined rules. So, see, when I gave the example, when I took when I once I told no, assume that my class is after 10:30 break. After 10:30 break, my class is there. 20 minutes break time we have given. So my what I say is once I enter into my class, I will not allow any student to enter into the class. But the other faculty may tell maybe because of rush in the canteen, the other faculty may allow the students after 5 minutes also, till 5 minutes. Yes, see, my opinion. I'm telling the other faculty. His opinion is telling. See, my for my opinion also there are some positive and negative points. Yes, for other faculty also there are some positive and negative points. So for each individuals there are different moral values will be there. For all the moral values, there definitely there will be positive and negative points will be there. Yes. Amit, you are there in that class. I think you just switched on your mobile and you went off. I think this example, the same
No,
example I
no,
gave
ma'am.
when I took a regular.
No, I'm
No,
there, ma'am.
you are not there. Okay, okay.
Understood, ma'am.
Any doubts, students? See, PPT, you go through the PPTs, whatever the PPTs I'm using, I'll mail you to your group mail ID. I'll mail you the PPTs. Anyway, the test is postponed. No, you have enough time to read for your test.
Ma'am, can you discuss the MCQ questions, what were given the essays?
How I can discuss already this class? No. Okay, just to tell you, you concentrate. See,
Because,
second
ma'am, you are
second.
given the so many options will be very confusions. So many
See,
confusions.
see, when the this subject is only like that, like that, no. Yes, Amit.
Network problem, ma'am. Hello.
This, the subject is only like that. See, students, in for your internals, I told syllabus second module half. I mean remaining which I have not included for your first test, which I have not included for your first test, and the third module. See, in second module, the remaining syllabus is how to write a letter, how to write a memos, how to form a resume, and about the presentation. See, generally, see there specifically, I may ask general question when you give presentation. When you give presentation, what are the measures you have to take care? Yes, about the body language. Yes, students, about the body language. See, students, 1 second. Please hold. Wait. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಮಿತ್. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಓಕೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. Okay, sir. Students, any doubt?
Ma'am, can you explain, ma'am, visual aids?
Visual aids.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. It is in which module? Module 2 or module 5?
Ma'am, module 3,
Hmm?
ma'am. Module 3.
3. Then module 3 I
Yes.
have not started. I have started with module 5.
Ma'am, module 5 years. Ma'am. I think I have not attended my class.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain ethics, ma'am, for module 5? The first topic is ethics, I think. Yes, ma'am.
Ethics.
Yes, ma'am.
See, what is ethics is nothing but a set of rules we have to follow. A predefined rules will be there. Ethics is nothing but see for each society, there will be some set of rules will be defined. So as a human, as a part of the society, we have to follow those rules. The following those rules is nothing but a behaving as according to the ethics. Means as a person, I have a ethics. If I am not accepting those rules, if I am not following according to those rules, then my behavior will be unethical. My behavior will be unethical. So here the ethics is nothing but we have some moral rules will be there, some moral codes will be there, so we have to follow those rules or moral codes. That is nothing but ethics. Or book definition I'll read out, you can listen. Ethics are beliefs regarding right and wrong behavior. Regarding, see, what is right and wrong behavior? When we are defining some rules, so definitely those rules will be a right rules. If you are not following those rules, then your behavior is wrong. Yes. Ethics are beliefs regarding right and wrong behavior. Ethical behavior refers to behavior that conforms to generally accepted social norms. Yes, who create norms? Who forms the norms? Norms are nothing but the rules or the principles. Who create these rules? A society only we create, no? As when I gave the example of apartment. So how the apartment people should behave in the apartment? For that, the association what they do, they will form a rules. They will create a rules are nothing but the norms, or you can say the principles. Not only the apartment, in colleges also we'll some norms will be there. With respect to faculties, some norms will be there. With respect to students, the different norms will be there. With respect to again the teaching staff, different norms. Non-teaching staff, different norms. HODs, different norms. So if we follow those norms, then our behavior is good. So that is a ethical behavior. So ethics are belief regarding right and wrong behavior. So what is right behavior? If we are following according to the norms, that is right behavior. If I am not behaving according to the norms, then my behavior is wrong. Yes. Yes, students. Any doubt? Please go ahead with the next question.
Ma'am, I have one more doubt, ma'am.
Ask.
Ma'am, how we can use ethics in the business world?
In the business world.
Yes, ma'am.
See, when you say business, it is not only a grocery business, or it is not only any business. In general, we talk. It may be a software company also. It may be software company also, or okay. Now, as of now, I'll take example of a grocery only. That is a that business only. I'll explain. See, just now I told goodwill amount. Just now I told goodwill amount for etiquette. What is etiquette is? That is a good behavior of a person with the community. Yes, that goodwill amount is not necessary to give to any person from whom you are buying that business. It is not necessary, but as a human being, as a goodwill amount, we are giving some amount of money to the person from whom we have purchased the business. And similarly, in a business, there will be some rules will be there, like when advertisement. When you start a business, when instead of Colgate, if you are starting any new factory for toothpaste, you should not say that. You should not say that Colgate has so many drawbacks. You can say you can say your toothpaste has so many good effects. It is very excellent. It has so many it is homemade, or it is organic. Whatever the advertisement you want to give, you can give, but you should not degrade to the other person. No, you should not degrade to Colgate or Pepsodent. So that is not a good behavior of a business. You should not cheat. Or as an employee, say, see, there are so many rules with respect to employees, with respect to employer. As an employee, maybe some formula is there to prepare that toothpaste. I should not reveal that information to the other business person. No, so if I am revealing that information, then I am not behaving ethically. What is my rules? I should not reveal any information to other person. Yes, to other business people. So that is the predefined rules. If I am behaving according to the rule, if I am following all the rules, then I'm applying ethics in the business. If I'm telling all the secret information to other business people, then I'm not applying ethics in the business. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, all this is whatever in the daily life we are doing the same. We are studying in this subject. Yes, students. Any doubts?
Ma'am, I think we have not got module 3 and module 4 have not taught, ma'am.
Huh?
Module 3 and module 4 you have not taught till now.
No, no, no. I told no, directly I have jumped to module 5 because I thought this lockdown will get over by this May, and because third module is about group discussion. Instead of explaining, if we do in the class only, it will be helpful, no? So that's why directly I have shifted to module 5. This I told before also.
Okay, ma'am. But I think then we can do group discussion in online also. We can do, no, ma'am, group discussion.
Now we have to do online only because we don't know if this lockdown will continue till what till how many days we don't know. No, so next definitely I have to do online only.
So, ma'am, for a second internal assessment, you will give full fifth module and half second module, no, ma'am?
Yes, yes. I'll share you some of the links. In that, you can some sample MCQ questions are there. You can refer because in Java, in other programming language, answering MCQ question is easy. As Amit told, lot of confusion in the choice because according to me, see ethical behavior. According to me, whatever I tell, it is correct. Whatever you tell, it is also correct. But here we have to follow whatever in the book they have given. That only we have to follow. No. Generally, we can talk how much ever you want about listening. Yes, when I gave first assignment about listening, all students have written answer, but it was not related to the syllabus. Again, I told you checked with you go through the video which I have in which I have explained the nature of listening, sensing, remembering. So three types of natures I have explained now. So according to the syllabus, we have to answer here. Generally, listening means whichever you want, you can write. In listening, there should be two. In listening, there have to be 2% should be their sender and the receiver. Whatever the message the sender is sending, the receiver has to listen properly. There should not be any different any disturbance. Like that, one essay only we can write. But according to the syllabus, we have to write, no? And students, you know, your third internals will be descriptive. If it is online, then we'll give some amount, some time, and in that time you have to write the answer. You have to write the answer, and you have to you have to scan and you have to send to our mail or Moodle only. We don't know what they will decide, but the third internals will be descriptive. See, I'll share third module PPT. In third module, we have two chapters. One is about the ethics, and the second chapter is about ethics for IT professional and IT user. You can see the PPT, students.
Visible, ma'am. Visible.
Huh?
Now,
You can see, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. You want to tell something? Tell. See here, mainly, see, here they are concentrating the rules and regulations of IT professional and IT user. Here the definition, what is, before we see about the IT professional, first what is profession? When we call a profession, I will tell his profession. His profession is cooking, or his profession is carpenter work. His profession in carpenter work. So when we say that, when he has depth knowledge, when he has specialized knowledge, only then I can say he is a profession in that particular job. Tailor. Why we say tailor? Even I can stitch. If something tear, even I can stitch. But I am not a professional tailor. But why? I don't have special knowledge. I don't have a depth knowledge about that. So similarly in IT also, the IT profession should have a depth knowledge. See, when we depth knowledge, and here the US government has defined some of the criteria for IT professional. See, C program is a basic programming language. I cannot say C is a basic programming language. Other than C program, I don't want to read or I don't want to learn any of the programming language. Yes, I should not say. Why? Because how the market changes, how the demand changes, I have to enhance my knowledge. Yes, my primary duty is according to the I have to perform based on the knowledge required. Now C and COBOL is outdated. I cannot say C is very good programming language. Even COBOL, it supports so many files. I cannot say I'll stick on only to C or COBOL. I don't want to learn a new technology. No. As a IT profession, I should not say that. And as a IT profession, whatever the originality will be there, based on the originality, I have to enhance. And as a IT profession, I have to judge. I have to be in a position to tell that whatever the tool or whatever the software I have prepared or I have developed, that is very effective. I have to judge. I have to give clarification for my software, and I should see the performance also. So these are all the criteria of IT professional. And here, when we say a person is professional, see, here the person, the IT person or IT profession has to take so much of information from business workers, background information from the market analyst, information from the IT specialist, information from the financial consults. We have to take. I gave Titan example. No, Titan previously they were not having website or mobile application, but now they have website as well as the mobile application also. But the IT professionalist, they cannot say that as a developer, I have developed this app or I have developed this website. I don't talk to the finance people. I don't talk to the market analyst because my job is only development. I do only development. I don't talk to them. I don't take any information from them. So it is wrong. Why? I gave a real-time example. One person has ordered one watch. When he ordered, that time it was there in the stock. I think this happened many with you people also, or with any common people. This may happen. When he has ordered that watch was there. After 2-3 days, that watch was out of stock. See, here the communication gap between the store person and the IT professional, because he has to update in the website, no, or in the mobile application immediately he has to. So in most of the companies, you can take the example of Flipkart or Amazon or Titan. One team will be there to resolve such types of issues. And there are some relationship between IT profession and employer, IT professional and clients, IT professional and IT users, IT professional and society. And ethics. Ethics means, see, in Hindi, I don't know the exact meaning. In Kannada, you can say ethics means manasakshi. See, whatever we are doing, so our inside feeling should tell that whatever you are doing, that is right. See, if you are not following that rules, then somewhere you will feel that no, you are not behaving according to the rules. So when we say ethics, that manasakshi should be there. See, ethical behavior means we are following the rules, whatever the predefined rules are there. So we are following. If you are not following the rules, then your behavior is not ethical. So here it states that the professional code of ethics states the principles. Principles means norms or the rules or the principles and core values that are essential to the work of a particular occupational group. See, in the previous class also I gave, when you shift your job to other company, then you should not reveal any secret information of your previous company. Yes, that ethical behavior you should have. So the ethical behavior helps you to improve the ethical decision making, promotes high standards of practice and ethical behavior, enhance truth and respect from general public, and provides a evaluation benchmark. And so here some of the organization is listed out. Certification. So certification is, you can take any of the examples. Certification of your department, certification of a college, or certification of a software, or certification of anything, whatever. When we for what we say certified, if if they have followed, if they have proper knowledge, or you can say when you go to any institute and when you learn something, then they will certify you that you have knowledge of this particular software or this particular tool. When they have this, they will check. First they will teach you, then they will test you. They will test your knowledge, they will test your ability, and based on your ability they will certify you. Now you have the knowledge of this particular tool. Or one more example I gave in the last class, accreditation, NBA accreditation, NAC accreditation, they will come and certify us. How they will certify? Of particular application will be there. We have to fill that application. Based on that application, based on that application, they will come to our organization. And they will check whatever the information we have filled in that form, whether it is whether it is right or wrong. So they are also to certify our college as NBA accredited. So for them, some predefined rules will be there. Some of the criteria will be there. If we are satisfying those criteria, then only they will certify us. Then only they will certify our college NBA accredited. Grades will be there: NAC, A grade, B grade, C grade, D grade, A plus. How they certify? Based on some criteria. If we are satisfying that criteria, then they will certify A plus, A, B, B plus, like that they will certify. Licensing, whatever the software we use, a license. There are so many pirated software also, but some license. If you want to use a licensed software, if they ask you to pay some money, you have to pay the money. If they ask you to fill some form, we have to fill the form. There also some tools are national and international softwares will be there. So we have to follow the rules and regulations of both national and international. Malpractice. When the malpractice happen, when I am negligent or when a person is negligent in his job. In last class I gave the invigilation example. My job, why they have given me that responsibility? The reason is a test is going on. The reason is test is going on. So that's why they have given, the committee or the department has given me the responsibility. Department has given me the responsibility to take care of that particular class. But if I am not punctual, if I am not doing my job properly, if I am negligent, then it may cause a risk or it may harm to the harm is nothing but the students will do copy. What are the common issues of IT users? Yes, software piracy, inappropriate use of computing resources, inappropriate share of information, supporting the ethical practice of IT users, defining and limiting the appropriate use of IT resources. This in last class only we have seen. Establishing guidelines for use of company software, structuring information system, installing and maintaining a corporate firewall. So this is all about 5th module. Students, any doubt? Yes, students, please respond. No doubts? Others? Others? If you're not responding means I assume that you don't have any doubts. Okay, students, shall I conclude my class? Okay. I'll end the meeting. Okay, students, bye. Take care.